this video, I'll show you how to add a quick sale in Fresha, perfect for speeding up transactions in your salon or business. Start by logging into your Freshly for Business account. From your dashboard, head to the calendar view. This is your main hub for appointments and sales. Look for the Add button in the top right corner and click it. From the options, select Sale. This will open the Quick Sale window. Now, go to the Products tab. Here, you can either search for the product you're selling or browse through categories. Select the items you want and they'll appear in your cart instantly. Once you've added everything, review the sale details carefully, then follow the guided checkout prompt to finalize the transaction. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can complete a smooth and efficient sale, helping you serve clients faster while keeping your records organized.